Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting Scite ready and opening the evidence you want to analyze. First, confirm your account and necessary permissions so Scite can access PDFs or web pages. Next, load the paper directly or paste the URL. This immediately creates a working session. Once done, pick the main claim or paragraph you need insights on and highlight it. This first move lets the assistant focus. Make sure to keep the session active while you proceed to the next steps. Now you dive into analysis. Ask Scite to find citations for the highlighted claim, and it will return supporting, contrasting, and mentioning evidence. Then filter results by date, study type, or citation strength to reduce noise. This narrows to the most relevant work quickly. Once filtered, compare claims side by side to see consensus or disagreement. Make sure to tag or annotate key items as you go. These tags stick with the session, and prepare your export or report for the final step. Finish by exporting organized summaries or annotated PDFs for your workflow. Choose the citation format you need and include notes. Before relying on a critical claim, open the original source from Scite to verify context. This prevents misinterpretation. If the assistant misses citations, refresh the session, widen date or keyword filters, or rerun the search with synonyms. This often uncovers hidden matches. If problems persist, toggle permissions and reload the document. That fixes most access-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.